Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
Welcome, Ghost Hunters. In this video, I will help you play Phasmophobia with your friends. This thrilling 4-player cooperative psychological horror game is available on PlayStation 5, Xbox Series X and S, and PC. A fantastic feature is its cross-platform compatibility, meaning you can team up with friends regardless of their gaming system. Together, you will explore various haunted locations, gathering evidence to identify the elusive ghost type. Let's dive into how to set up your first investigation. Getting into a game with your friends is straightforward. First, launch Phasmophobia and navigate to the main menu, then select Play. If a friend is already hosting, choose Join Game and enter their unique lobby code. Alternatively, if you wish to be the host, select Create Game to establish your own private lobby. Once created, simply share the generated 4-digit lobby code with up to 3 friends, and they can join you instantly. Effective communication is absolutely crucial for survival and success in Phasmophobia. Utilize the in-game voice chat to coordinate with your team, sharing vital information about ghost activity or evidence found. Each player can carry up to 3 items, so strategize who brings what. Consider designating roles, such as an evidence gatherer, a sanity monitor, or a ghost hunter. Teamwork is key to identifying the ghost and completing all your objectives safely. To successfully complete an investigation, your primary goal is to gather 3 distinct pieces of evidence to identify the ghost type. Always check your journal to record findings and confirm your ghost identification. Additionally, complete any optional objectives for bonus rewards and extra cash. Once you have identified the ghost and completed your tasks, ensure everyone returns to the safety of the truck. Exiting the location safely concludes your thrilling ghost hunt and secures your earnings.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.